Alright, let's see if it's habitable. Heck yeah. It's all nice and dry in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know what I'm eating tonight. The goal for now is to get the fire started. Can you even see me? Whatever. So, let me get that going. Grass is a little bit wet. Kindling isn't that great. I'm gonna try a new move. So the grass method wasn't working, so gonna use this. A little bit of a cheater move, but I'm not trying to freeze my tail off. I just noticed something was smoking, and I left this log on top of the thing, trying to let it like thaw out, and that John was about to catch on fire. I think I messed up my gloves too. Oh man, they weren't the best gloves, but it's okay. Should probably back these logs up. It's crazy. Hopefully I don't catch on fire tonight. That'd suck. Alright, well, I got my timer set just in case I fall asleep too hard, to put more logs on the fire. And I think this will be a pretty easy night as long as it doesn't snow on me. It's like 3. I've had the fire going all night. It's been keeping me super warm. And it's been a pretty easy night so far. I've stayed pretty warm the whole time. So it's 6, it's almost 7 now. I've basically survived the coldest part of the night. I'm gonna cook up some food real quick, and I think that might be pretty much it for the video. I might go coyote hunting. I don't know if I'll put that in the video or not. This is what we're gonna be eating for breakfast. I don't want to burn my sock. Homeless special. Yeah, butter. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Wow. What is that? That is so just beautiful. It's just a pile of snow. Yeah, butter. Sat around for too long now. Gotta go. You know, it'd be crazy if there's just a coyote right outside. Right when I opened the door and I got it on video. That'd be so cool. I think later this week I'm gonna come back down here and clear everything out and set up some traps for that mouse. I hate those guys so much. Man, it looks crazy outside. The snow was like way sticky yesterday. Just everywhere too. This is probably worst conditions I've ever camped in. It's freezing outside too. My hands are so cold.